A time for woman stop come on the internet a pine over man. And then when the one girl catch up, your ears say feel them all better than the girl all of your man I hear about. Your man no one good all, not if your mouth batty all now boom boom good. And it's just the truth. It is just the truth. Stop making some of them non-progressive elements here feel as if they're a king because they never born in a palace. Yeah. Me young want to take on the world. Where is that girl? She lost in somebody else. You never know. She lost in her own greed. You never know. Anna, what one good all? She's lost. Exactly. Because you want this and you feel in order to get this you have to sell that, which is your soul. That's why God is a jealous God. You want this, and in order for you to get it, and nobody not telling you have to bury yourself in a somebody about soul tide. You nobody not have no soul tides. No soul tide. My soul too preciously tied with you. Me not walk with nobody into my spirit unless the Lord drop you in my spirit and say pray for that individual. Yeah. Certain terms me not use. I agree if a man tell me say I walk within my spirit. Me start for it. Come on, how your spirit look. And not all of you have good spirit. So don't tell me about you carry me in your spirit. Certain things me not use and me not run and me not frighten. Me no want hear this. Me no want hear this. You don't love me, you're obsessed with me. And that's a Kilimanjaro. You don't like it, don't do it. No way, Ozzy. The Holy Spirit carry me. I cannot carry you in my spirit. I love you as a partner and as a company. But this is where the love stop. The love stop where I care about you. I mean, I want nothing atomic to you. You are mine and I'm yours. And I just we're gonna stay. You understand me? But get that right. You see, when it comes to the spirit part, let me tell you something, little boy. Me not have no time to carry you in my spirit. Oh, the Bible said that word have I hid in my heart that I will not sin against thee. It never said the boy with my hide in my heart. Oh, certain terminology, it sounds good, yes, but it's not healthy. You ever came in your spirit for a particular time and make me miss my journey? Me not even know where you're gonna let me off. Eh? You talk about soul tie. Then you wrap up my soul in yours and you go with both my soul and your soul. And when the woman blood finger this. Hey, and don't wrap up your mother and your sister them. Don't wrap up your mother and your sister them. Don't come about me. Oh. And that's the problem. And when you see these demonic effects operating, you must understand. I said something the other night. I said you lose your identity when your man let you or your relationship break apart. Because you see, who did I enter and a deposit in a year was never of any good. All you got was betrayal. All you got was hurt. You never know when your man come in at you, him deposit hurt, heartbreak, betrayal, Judas. You understand me? But when they call it love and when they accept every single grind and cocky print plus come. And when they say, wow, this is so sweet and nice. Just like when time you entertain some people, our hug, you can get a transfer of spirit. So 120 and you dagger, and the man knows him just a dagger you, and what you want is not what he wants. So you see, say, man, deposit this loyal in you. That is why you change. A man change you. One way or another, make your spine out of control. Make your spiral out of control, sorry. Then it play upon your weight. It play upon your image. You lose the identity. Not fun and lost my identity because now all I'm on a relationship. And I'm afraid of being alone. I know why you're afraid of being alone. Because someone has have your spirit carrying. They're abusing your spirit because it's your spirit that they're using. Why you say that, Shebada? I mean, and the individual knows that and is not in love with you. So what happened? The individual knows whether or not them gone Jericho, you're in love with them. No matter what them do, you're in love with them. So them have your spirit. I'm gonna tell you something. And when them have your spirit and them have betray you with your spirit, you can stay home as a female, glory to God, and feel that something is wrong, something is not meshing with the unity that you want to create, or that you think that you are creating, because your soul is and your spirit behind your back, but in front of your spirit face. So what happened? You're there, woman, you can't sleep, you feel it, you know. So we as females, we start lurking and search and look for things. You understand me? Because we know within our shell that the place where our spirit's supposed to be. We shell tell us that our spirit is out there with our other half. And it's not right. It's not comfortable. So the spirit I tell we what we individual I do. So we can pick up and know say born and one, but we not have the evidence. We have all the evidence. That is why you talk about female intuition. It's not intuition. Your intuition comes when you tie with man. A man down with your spirit, you gotta work and was the boy in your bed grind. You're going to see pubic here, falls here, panty, brassiere, or condom. You know. Underpants. Some man evaluate. Some man evaluate and say, John Obi, I feel comfortable around you. Who ever hear that yet? No, some man evaluate and say, John Obi, I feel comfortable around you. Who ever hear that yet? Alright, Judith. Yeah, Breds. Alright, you know what that? That's someone who come with baggage to let off. You know to say most of them relationship they never last. That's someone who come with baggage to let off. You know, be me feel comfortable around you. At the moment me tell you say get up later. Later. Don't tell me about be me feel comfortable later. Don't feel comfortable around me. I feel comfortable around your mother, your unwanted picking them. Don't feel comfortable around me. You think I joke? Don't do that. You don't get to tell me that. It best to tell me I'm a nice person. But you don't get to tell me that you feel comfortable around me before you tell me I'm a nice person. You're brighty. And yes, on a relationship done in on a blind date. No promote me, man. No, look at me stupid, don't. Alright then, look at me stupid. Let me explain myself too now. A lot of times you hear a female say, when she's tired, she can't sex. A lot of times you hear a female say, when she's tired, she can't sex. Enough woman me hear. So I say, oh, when I'm tired, I don't want to cocky. I just want to sleep, true or false. I just want somebody correct me who are female. Sometimes females start say, when them tired, them don't want nobody though, cause them tired and pop down. But never time you hear a female when she's stressed, she don't want no. When she's stressed, she want cocky. She want false. When she's stressed, she want cocky, but when she's tired, you hear she says she don't want a cocky. She want false. Yeah, alien, you can't tell me that. Some woman life look good. But this is a psychological part of it. It's when you're tired for a female, you might have to fight your feet. It's when you're stressed, a boy have to fight your feet. Because when a woman stressed, she ever look it and by whatever means necessary, she ever get it. No for one like a good girl. For one understand on herself. For sure. Science even prove it. You even see it on TV. People stress until them grind. You understand me? But never a time when you broke your after show say you look, you never time for pay cocky in the mind now. Better you broke, you know you so get it, you just not have it now. But when you're truly stressed, cause no we can differentiate broke from stress, and no we say we're broke and we're stressed. No, you're broke. You're broke. No, you're broke. You're broke. You're broke. You can be laughing at your stress. Stress can make you laugh at everything. You never know. But sure, work them interchangeably. When a man stressed, I'm gonna tell you, it's when a man tired, his body can't stand up. But it's when a man stressed, it will ram the hell out of you. You never know. Ask an athlete. When an athlete is tired, they want grind. As them done the track meet, so they want grind. You never know. Just so it go. And that's something we as females have to work with. Can we not tell ourselves the truth? We're too vulnerable. And we work off of pity. And that's why we never get healing. Because we always want, instead of taking accountability, we want pity. And that's why we as females go anywhere. When you're a female and you give up young, wild and free to make somebody happy, you realize that you're switching out your future for another individual. Everyone wants them future to fill with happiness. And when you try to make somebody happy, you're seeking happiness in an individual. Because so when you try to make somebody happy, you will never be happy until you see them start smiling. That is why Tony Braxton said, his smile belongs to me. She feels as if she own everything for the man. You don't. It is easy for a woman to be under a man's control and a man to be under a woman's control. That much you're not missing a life. You cannot control your man. Don't care how you try with your purse. He might rebel. So why is it that effortlessly he's controlling you? Make it make sense. Make it make sense for real. And they will want the world to understand that we were an asshole and it's okay for us to be an asshole because nothing wrong with that. When you love, you love. You alone love. You alone love. And we never yet can tell ourselves that we alone really love. We never yet can do it. But as I said, Kate is not the only one going through this. A lot of you guys going through it and are afraid to talk. Una settle for less and want more from people from outer road. No, for true, a lot of you guys settling for less and want respect from people outer road. I mean, they said this on day one. You say if your man will live with now respect you, don't look respect from the Bible says by the fruits of your spirit, people are gonna know you by the fruits of your spirit. People are gonna know you by the fruit of your spirit. So if you want man too much, the result end up by K. So now I understand. You can't make man say you want him more than who you want you. The result is gonna be like, hey, take pride in yourself. Make a boy jealous because do when you are do for yourself. The competition must be he wants to make you stop making you feel like a queen. He wants to make you feel like a queen while him set up himself as a king. So we don't say 10 point of cook for Shana. In supposed to cook for Camila tell him say wash next. Wash next. Okay, broke him bad, Shana not broke him so. Yeah. Shana broke him so and that is the problem. Oftentimes we there with some boy or broke them some weight and then going on my next relationship. Them a do for the girl with them should I do for we. You never know, and that hurts because you never really give the boy a chance to wash up the plate them. Yeah, run go wash them. You never give the boy a chance to hungry make him go cook or come home for make sandwich. Yeah. So we end there with a girl. The girl say go make something and you go like your hand lift up in your mother. And you kinda like that because you're not used to it. And everybody like the new norm. You never know. And that's how it go, people. I just saw it go. Everybody like the new norm. Always know a boy will beat you bitterly, you know. And when you and him left in with that girl, you know, she said, oh, you never leave me, in beat you, man. And you wonder what did you. So when you talk about having soul ties, someone will wrap up your soul with a nettle. Yeah. But soul tie. Everybody you see you want to wrap up your soul with and some of them granny or obia woman. Some of them granny and Obi one, some of them woman and dirty, and you want soul tie with somebody's son like that. Some of them love man more than own love on herself, and then that's the problem. You see, Cubas from Shaban, she take Tilly. From Cubas band, she use her all as bowling alley for body. And look on Cubas now, she left with nothing, pink party, nothing. She don't have a man we want her. Cubas are the only woman where I roam. She favor cocky spirit. She the only one where I roam around. No, only the one that only the one be like a girl like that. No. That's the prime example of when you lock up your soul in a man gone with you, and no Cubas can't find back she. You know why Cubas can't find back she, Crystal? May I tell you why? Because when you take man like dog seeking love, and every girl at war, you know, some girl use them crutches to find love. And every girl at war where you see change, man. Some of them use them crutches to find love. Yeah. And then it come a time when them feel as if nobody want them because pieces of themselves gone. Them can't find back that hole. You understand me? WHOLE. You understand me? They can't find back that. So guess what happened? Them just wayward. When you hear Cuba sit down and class her crutches and class everything about her, you know definitely that this lady is hurting deeply. That's what I'm telling you. It's not K alone that go through these things. It's not K alone. Enough of these ladies would glad if their baby father and then they'd still there. You never know, actually, one girl and her baby father let make she hate him and she'd never talk back to him. You never know him force her for grow him out, for outgrow him. And that's just the truth. These are the stuff we don't know why hear. We know why hear them something not sit well, we don't know. But it's just the truth. A time for woman stop come on the internet a pine over man. A time for woman stop Sharon bless. A time for woman stop come on the internet and a pine over man. And then when them one girl catch up, your ears say feel them all better than the girl all of your man give your mouth. Your man no one good all, not if your mouth batty all now boom good. And it's just the truth. It is just the truth. Stop making some of them non-progressive elements here feel as if they're a king because they never born in a palace. You understand me? Enough of them born in a tree house and hut. And it's just the truth purpose. Them females sit on the internet and make man dog on out and use on go and use on come and then come right back round and cuss them when I wanna avail on yourself. Wanna avail on yourself to be sacrifices. Wanna just take anything on in a relationship and me don't know what me gonna hold up on it, not even wanna know. Not even when I don't know no start live like, oh me I gotta take care of myself. Me I go one restaurant, they go one restaurant and it just doesn't feel good because you're not separated, you're not free, you're not happy. So how when you're in a relationship and you go to a restaurant and a man not carry out, that don't work. It don't work. What work? The thing that works is when time you and your man break off and you break it off and you say, me I dry them tears here and me I go eat fish off naked chicks. I'm going out tonight and you're out. If you get say that bad, you are spending on yourself. If someone will take the time off to take back our spend on people and do it for ourselves, we realize how much of ourselves we're giving away. But enough of we don't realize that.